Silence is the best killer sometimes. Alright, so I sent a message saying we will learn evaluating functions and expressions with up to two variables.
Wait, can you say that again? Like input output? Can you say that again?
If you let me speak, then I can explain. And stop interjecting every 2 minutes.
Can you say that again?
Yeah. So you come this side so I can see you also. Otherwise you will be stepping out.
Today.
So today we are going to talk about evaluating functions and expressions with two variables.
X and Y?
A and B also. Variables are variables. Yeah. So evaluating functions and expressions with two variables. What does it mean? What do you mean by evaluating a function? And only raise your hand if you are very clear about the answer, okay? Okay? What do you mean by evaluating a function?
You mean like you're talking about like the effects of input output table?
Leave it there. Evaluating a function.
Wait, those
Yeah.
are new topics? We're good, right?
You have to debate. Yeah, Dikshita.
Is it like an input and output?
That's the same answer I got here in the classroom also, but I would not say this is not right, but this is we have to put it differently. Okay. Okay. Anybody else? Now, when you say evaluate, again, don't overwhelm yourself by thinking just too much. Okay, keep it simple. Now, when you say evaluating a function or expression, I said evaluating a function or expression with up to two variables. Why did I write it? Evaluating a function, I did not write the full function, let me write it. Function or expression with up to two variables. What does it mean? There is no math here, it's all pure English.
Private English.
You should read it and don't keep murmuring in between. I being the teacher, I have to talk the most. I will let you guys speak when there is a need. Okay. Don't keep repeating in between because that draws my attention. Okay. Evaluating a function or expression with up to two variables.
Can I sit over there?
Yeah. When we talk about evaluating a function, what does it mean? We have to evaluate. We have to find out the value. Evaluate. Like you have e-meeting, e-rickshaw, e-transfer. Everything is e. Right? Evaluate.
Express.
Evaluate. So extract the value. Okay? That is what it is. So if you have now, so basically all the drama I was doing here, it means only one thing. Evaluating means extract the value, find out the value, e-value. That's how you can break it. Now if I have, let's say, an expression like this, 4x squared plus 2x. Evaluate this for x equals 5. Now when Dikshita and Arav told me that, is it input output? It is not correct given the context because we are talking about evaluating functions and expressions. If I have a function like this, then it's input output. If I have just an expression like this, there is no input output. We are just saying find out what is the value of this guy if x equals to 5. So there is no output. Output is when you have equal to. There is no equal to here. It's just an expression. It's like me doing anything, me taking the class only smiling, not saying anything. That is only expression. Yeah. So So here, this is expression, this is function. In both the case, when you talk about evaluating a function or expression for any value of, for up to two variables. So you can have an expression like this, it has only one variable. You can have an expression like here you have two variables. So we are talking about expressions and we'll have functions also with up to two variables and evaluate it. So now let's try solving it for a few problems, and then probably you will know what is the use of this whole chapter or unit or section. There's nothing to ask. I'll not let you talk. Hands down. Hands down. Hands down. Don't get tempted to talk for no reason. That's not helpful. So we are trying to. I will let you ask, but don't waste time. Not good. We have to master the art of making effective use of time and effective communication. Otherwise, it becomes a waste of time and waste of communication as well. Now, if I have an expression like, why for example, if somebody says evaluate this for x equals to 3 and y equals 6, can you guys evaluate this? Do it. Not do it. Yeah, it's not. I'm saying evaluate this expression for x equals to 3 and y equals to 6. I want to see how you guys are doing it. Huh?
And wait.
So, talking and thinking. There is a trade-off between brain and lips. If lips are being overused, brain stops working. Yep, yeah, Dikshita.
Is it 81?
I don't know. We'll do it. So, what did you do? Dikshita, what did you do?
I multiplied the numbers that you gave.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I mean, you basically substituted the value of x in this one and y in here, correct? That's what gave you 81?
Oh yeah.
You want to
So
say
I got
it?
81.
What is that?
I got 81.
81. Everybody got 81. How about you, Tanu? 81. How about you,
Yeah,
Lokchita?
that's one.
How about you, Lokchita?
I got 81.
Okay. How about you, Praneeth?
Yes, sir, 81.
81. Sanvi, same. Okay. So, while this topic looks, evaluating functions and expressions for, for up to two variables. This is actually a child's play, and that's why I picked up this topic, because it's there in 7th 8th grade and it is there in algebra 1 also. But then, though it looks complicated, it sounds tricky, but it's actually very easy. You just have to apply your thoughts and then substitute the value and get it. You just have to be careful while doing the calculation. Let's do few more. Evaluate this for x equals to 2 and y equals minus 2. So 6x cubed plus 20x plus y square minus 17y. Evaluate this expression for x equals 2 and y equals minus 2.
Wait, by negative 2?
Mhm. Yeah, we won.
I'm sorry, what is x equal again?
X equals 2 and y equals minus 2. This is not a difficult question, but this is still a trick question. Yep, Dikshita.
I got 75.
Okay. Let's see who got the same or different number.
1,798.
1198. How much did you get?
I got 50.
Hmm?
I got 50.
50. Okay. So see how diverse the class is.
Wait,
Three kids have shared their numbers, results.
It's 6x by the power of 10.
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay.
And I've got three different numbers, okay? And that's why I say I don't trust anybody. I don't know who to trust right now.
What about me?
I don't want to be blinded for anybody. Because, I mean, if we know how to solve it, I mean,
Good for you.
what is that?
Is it good for you?
What does it mean?
Like I was answering your question.
Yeah.
Whoever knows the
Just say
question,
wrong,
good for you.
That is where I don't give kids the luxury to speak, because if I let you guys speak, then you will just go to my neighbor's house to learn maths, even if he doesn't teach maths. Yep.
Okay, I'm the most quiet person in the here.
You know what I know it very well. Okay.
Who's the most quiet this one here?
Yeah, Vivan.
Sir, I got 1,806.
One thing. See, there another diversity in the answer. Okay. Let's see what Pranav says. Yeah, Pranav. No, you're talking to the mute button. I cannot hear you.
I got 146.
146. Okay. See how diverse it is. Sanvi, how much did you get?
That's very disturbing.
Yeah, Pranav. Okay, sorry. How much did you get, Thanu? And Sanvi?
I got 794.
Okay. Yeah. How about you,
I
Sanvi?
got 126.
Okay. See.
Are you writing this?
All the class. No. Why would I write? Now, if I write, if it would have been two people's answer matching, that would have given me some confidence. Now everybody has given me different answers.
Can I?
I don't know whom to trust.
Would you like use like ChatGPT or scan that and then find the answer?
Is that what your future is going to be?
No.
Then stop it there. Yep. Yeah, Dikshita.
I'm gonna change my answer to 1,798.
Okay.
That's my answer.
Okay. At least there are two people who have matching numbers. Okay. How about you, Pranit? Did you get anywhere closer to it?
I got 1,600 and
Okay.
I'm not really sure. Yeah.
I'm seeing a lot of diversity. See, okay. Now let's not spend much time on this one.
Yeah, guys. That made it worse.
Okay. Everybody quiet. Everybody quiet.
X was 2 and Y was -2.
Now, whenever we talk about evaluating a function, we don't do anything fancy. We keep simple things. Wherever I have x, I will put the value of x. Wherever I have x, I will put the value of x. Let's put it in the bracket. Yep. Yep, enough.
Can I change my answer to 1,146?
Okay, that's fine. Y. Wherever I have y, I will put that value here. Now, so far, nothing complicated, right? I'm not going to see. If you guys like this style, I would want you guys to start practicing it. Whenever I get a sum, you will see that I actually end up writing a story. Whatever value I had the equation, I just substituted the value here. I'm not jumping the gun, okay? Now, here, 6 into 2 cube gives me 8. 6 into 8. Plus 20 into 3 gives me 60. Plus minus 2 square gives me plus 4. Minus 17 to minus 2 gives me 17 into 2, 34. Positive. Yep. Yes or no?
Sir, it's 2, not times 3. It's 20 times 3.
It's a power of 3.
Okay. Look, sorry. Yeah, you're right. See, that means you are paying attention. Thank you.
I am.
Okay. here if you look at this becomes 48 plus 40 plus 4 plus 34. Now the question is, whoever got anything more than 1000, that looks problematic.
I figured out my problem.
Sussy Baka.
I did 6 times 2.
I think nobody asked you.
I figured out my
Yeah. So basically, see, again the thing is, if you do that in a very simple way, right, you will be able to get to the root of the problem if something goes wrong. And it's okay, we can make mistakes. Yeah. Yeah, Dikshita.
That's the minus sign, not plus. Like after
Which-
24.
After 34, no, it has to be plus.
Plus negative times negative.
Negative 17 into negative 2 will give you negative into negative positive. Yeah. So if I have minus 7 into minus 2, it gives me 14. So minus into minus becomes plus 14. Similarly here minus 17 into minus 2. So you are multiplying 17 with 2 and you are multiplying this sign with this sign, which becomes a plus. Yep. Now check the answer. 48 plus 40, 88 plus 4, 92. 96 plus 30, 126.
Is it 58? No?
Yep.
Yep.
So again, this was not a difficult question, not a complicated one.
True.
It was not a trick question either.
It's easy.
Now everybody being in level 2, I would assume this is a simpler calculation. Maybe no, there was an oversight. You guys probably rushed for it. Or as soon as I said this is a trick question, you got tricked. It was not a trick question.
I mean, I got the intent.
Okay. So this is one way to solve it.
I'm gonna
Dancing doesn't give you extra body points. Okay, let's move on. So again, this is all about practice. Let's do some practice because
another one.
yeah,
Let's do it.
we'll do 2 more sums. Let's see.
I actually love these types of questions.
All your love and affection with math will reflect in how you do it. So don't talk it through. Okay. So let's do 6x squared minus 7y cube plus 16x squared plus 8. Okay. Evaluate this for x equals minus 3 and y equals minus 7.
This is kind of silly.
This is so easy.
Wait, what is x?
X equals minus 3, y equals minus 7. So this is one. Second, easy, difficult will reflect in your answer, buddy. Just do it first.
Wait, that negative 3 or positive 3?
He just said it 2 seconds ago.
See, even the birds are shouting at you now. It sounds like it's saying quiet, quiet, quiet.
Wait, for both of them?
Yeah.
Why?
World has already been telling you to be quiet for last 10 minutes. Now let's try solving it, okay? First expression is 6x squared minus 7y cubed plus 16x squared minus 8. Evaluate this for x equals to minus 3, y equals minus 7. Second question is, it's an expression which says 8x cubed minus 14y. Evaluate this for x equals to 8 and y equals 1 by 7.
Okay.
I have a question. Who wants you to be
Oh. Okay, now just do it. Just do it. When it doesn't hear a sound coming from you, it will be quiet. So I assume everybody got the question. The first question or expression is 6x squared minus 7y cubed plus 16x squared minus 8. Evaluate this for x equals to minus 3 and y equals minus 7. Second one is 8x cube minus 14y. Evaluate this for x equals 8 and y equals 1 by 7. And again, it will be similar to what you did before, but math is all about practice. Yep, Pranav.
I got 211.
You have two questions. What is the answer for the second? Which one it was for? 211 for first one or second one?
The first one.
211, okay. How about second one?
I didn't solve it yet.
Complete both, let me know.
I got.
After we do these two sums, then we will go on to evaluating this for equations. Right now we are doing our functions. Yeah.
I got 263.
263. See how diverse things are. Yeah, how about this one?
I didn't do anything.
Complete both. It's like, you're in the SAT exam and you have to solve 50 questions and you are telling the examiner after every question you solve. Yeah, Dikshita, tell me.
I got negative 450.
First one, negative 453. Dikshita, unmute yourself. I cannot hear you.
Yeah, I got negative 453.
Okay. The first one. How about the second one?
I did not do it.
Do both. See, there's a message going out, okay, from the exercise that we are doing right now. I have not taught you guys anything, but when we are solving the problems, we are getting different answers. Ideally speaking, if I have explained it well and you have understood it well, everybody should have a matching answer, which is not the case yet. That means more practice needed. Yes or no?
Indeed, what practice?
I got 337 for the first one.
And second one?
I got 4,094.
4094. Okay. See the amount of diversity we have in the class, yeah?
For the first one, I got 2195.
2195. See, not even a single answer has matched.
Wait, that's the second one? With the same rule?
What rule?
Like x is negative.
No, here you have the value for it. So either you are not listening to the question correctly or I have taught something not correctly. Yeah, Dikshita.
For the second one, I got 4,900. 4,094.
Tell me the numbers. 4
4094.
4094. It's 4094. Yeah. At least here you have got some company. There are two people who have got the same value. This one, nobody has any company. Everybody is in his or her own world. They don't have any friendship here in the class.
Yeah, especially for me. I'm the one who's gonna get 1 million subscribers.
Solve this problem first.
How many subscribers do you have?
Doesn't matter. Yes, Vivan.
Sir, for the first one, I got 3,023.
3023.
23.
So that is 3023, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. See? Other person who is not wanting to be friend with anybody. Okay, how about this one?
Oh, I'm with that answer for the second one.
4094. Okay, good. Here at least we have few friends together. Alright, yes, Anvi.
For the first one, I got 2,509.
Very nice. See? No friends.
Yay!
How
And
about-
for the second one, I got 4,094.
Okay. There's some consistency. Okay.
There's
Let's see, Praneeth.
Yes, sir. For the first one, I got negative 2,650.
What?
7.
Negative 2607.
Yeah.
Okay.
And for the second one, I got 4094.
Okay. So this is a group of friends where everybody has got the same answer. Look at this group. Nobody is friend with anybody.
We're all enemies.
Such a diverse group.
For sure.
Okay. Let's see Pranav, what Pranav says. What is the surprise here?
For the second one, I got 192.
Wonderful. See.
What?
Okay. Yeah. Arav.
Oh, for the second one, I got 4,900. Sorry, 4,094.
Okay. So here, more or less everybody is aligned, but yeah.
No,
Yep. Pranav.
I said 192.
192.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, Vivan.
So for the second one, I got 4,094.
Okay. So this is still a group of friends. Here we don't have any friends. Let's see. If I want to join or be friend with anybody, or I am a new person altogether. Let's see. So I am dropping off all the numbers. Okay. It was x equals minus 3 and y equals minus 7, right? So that was the value, right? X equals to minus 3, y equals minus 7, correct? That is what we were evaluating it for, correct? Okay.
Yeah.
Now, again, same stuff. Nothing I'm doing different. 6 into x square. X is minus 3. I'm putting in a bracket and doing square. Minus 7. Y is minus 7. Minus 7 cube. Plus 16. X square. X is minus 3. Minus 3 square. Minus 8. Now look at this. Minus 3 is square. Minus 3 into minus 3 becomes 9. Plus 9. So 6 into 9. Minus 7 into, let's do it step by step. 7 is multiplied with itself 3 times. So 7 7 is 49 because plus 49, and then gets multiplied by minus 7. So it becomes plus into minus minus. 7 9 is 63. 7 4 is 28 plus 6 34. So minus 343. So minus 7 cube becomes minus 343. So I put minus 343 here. Plus 16 minus 3 square becomes plus 9. So 16 into 9 minus 8. 6 times the 54 minus 7 into minus this. So minus into minus will become plus. So I'll make it a plus and now multiply. 7 3 is 21. 7 4 is 28 plus 2 30. 3 carry forward. 7 3 is 21 plus 3 24. Plus 16 9 is 144 minus 8. Now you add it up. So positive side becomes 4 plus 1 5 plus 4 9. 5 plus 0 5. 5 plus 4 9. And then 4 plus 1 5. Then 2 minus 8. So all the things that we have to add, we have added them. So 4 plus 1 5 plus 4 9. 5 plus 4 9. And then 1 plus 4 5 and 2. Yeah. And then you do it, it becomes 2591. Who got 2591? So
I don't have it right now. I think it is too late.
answer would have been yes or no.
Do you still believe me?
No. I would not believe. It's not about belief or trust. You have to do it. Did you do it? No. Can you show it? No. If you cannot show it, then how would I believe? Okay. So if you look at the answer, who got 2591? Tell me. Either you prove me wrong or there's something that you might have missed. Again, look at it. See, this is all about calculation. Whatever value we have to just, this evaluation of function, this is supposed to be the easiest thing, okay? Conceptual. Don't talk when it's not needed. Did you get 2591? No. You did not tell me 2591. I did not hear 2591 from anybody. Why are you suddenly debating about it? Keep it there. Use this as an opportunity to learn where did you go wrong.
I had the same digits, it's just jumbled up.
Yeah. So that is where See, this is not a difficult concept. This is an easy concept. How we use, how we apply, how we calculate is what makes a difference. And that is where the storytelling will help you.
I have a question.
Yeah.
For like -3 by the power of 2, how come it's positive 9?
Because minus 3 into minus 3, you are multiplying minus 3 into minus 3. You multiply 3 with 3 becomes 9, minus with minus becomes plus.
Okay, I
Yeah.
remember it.
Yeah, we want.
And the only reason I missed this question was because I forgot what 6 multiplied by 9 was.
Okay. So that means we have to come back to memorizing tables. And you will be surprised to know that I was memorizing table of 16 and 17 when I went for dropping my daughter to dance class. I was free, I was just roaming around. I thought, no, not Myra. Myra is the sister.
Wait, was I came here, right?
So I in the junior classes I asked them to practice tables, and then I asked them, okay, challenge your teacher and see if the teacher is able to memorize or answer quickly. And I have got caught a couple of times in the table of 16 and 17. So then I thought, okay, probably I don't want to say a sorry in front of my kids. So I was memorizing table of 16 and 17. So I think I feel better now. Or what it means is, you guys will need to memorize the tables as well, because that is what will help you. Yeah? Alright?
Wait, did Myra went with her mom?
Is that in the syllabus?
No.
See, went with my neighbor. Does it matter to you? No. Why are you wasting your time unnecessarily? We are talking about math, we are talking about evaluating expression, we are talking about, is Myron at home? Did she go to her maternal uncle or did she go to her paternal uncle? That's not needed, right? Yeah.
Wait, so are you gonna do 18 now?
Yeah. So 18 meaning
Table.
tables. Yeah, so in this group, now